So let's talk about whether or not you can actually prevent hair loss from happening during menopause. I get this question a lot, and how I try to explain it is that you can't really prevent the loss. And most people, when they say prevent, they really just want better quality hair, less thinning, and they don't want to deal with a lot of breakage. So I'm going to talk today about what you can do, how you can control it, and some simple preventions. So one, what you can't control versus what you can control. You can't control your genetics. You can't control your age. You can't control things like stress, which happen, and they do affect the hair. You can't always control your hormones, which do lead to more hair loss. They are definitely a big factor in hair loss. But there are things you can control, and those things include what you're eating, the level of inflammation that's happening by the foods that you eat, trying to lower your own levels of stress, keeping your body in good shape through exercise and good health, and increasing the circulation in your hair and in your scalp, and not damaging it with chemicals or a lot of color, and just treating your hair as well as you can. So I'm going to give you a couple prevention tips. One is, over this age, it's really important not to stress the hair a lot. Breakage, when it starts happening during menopause, we want to eliminate that. So the ways that we do that, as I mentioned, are things like food. The things that we eat are really important because our body needs certain things. And without going into a lot of detail, omega-3s are one of the things that I am really focused on with my hair loss patients over 45. Most of us get omega-3s in like supplements, or fish is not really where we go. That's not our natural inclination. It's just to take a supplement. But fish is really important, and it helps with thinning hair. It helps the skin. It helps all aspects of the body, and we can't make omega-6s. So that's one thing. The diet's really important. We want to keep inflammation down, and one of the ways we can do that is being very careful about, again, what we consume and our levels of stress. We want to take care of our body and our hair specifically by not damaging it. And so there are some people that come to me that are coloring and bleaching, and I generally will recommend a color that is not so aggressive. There are many on the market, so you can look around, but I try to avoid as much bleaching and as much black hair dye, because that also can break the hair. Increasing circulation can be done through things like dermastamping. I have my patients dermastamp with peptides, and there are things you can do topically, but what you're doing is doing things internally, you're doing things topically, and you're also doing what you can, what's in your control in terms of health. So I hope this was helpful. If you would like to get a download of my free book for the 9 top foods in menopause, you can do so below, and hope to see you in the next video.